Hello and welcome to my brand new course. This is Finding Your Happiness and you're in Lecture 1, which is an introduction to the course. So my name's James Hill and I'm going to be your course host, and that's a picture of myself looking very happy, although it's hard not to be when you're drinking coffee on holiday. So the first thing I want to talk about is, who am I to be telling you how to be happy? What qualifies me, a complete stranger, to be telling you how to be happy? Well, the first thing I'd say is I've always been a happy person. So I had a happy childhood growing up on a farm. I was very happy during my early to mid 20s. And now at the age of 38, I'm on a whole new level of happiness. However, just 3 years ago, I was divorced, I was single, I was £70,000 in debt, and I was sleeping in my car. I was not in a good place. I was not in a happy place. Today, however, I'm an area manager for Travelex. I'm driving a company car. I'm an aspiring entrepreneur. I'm debt-free. I have the girlfriend of my dreams. I live in a small but nice flat in Leeds, and I have a feeling of happiness that is almost indescribable. And I've got that because of the principles that I want to teach you. And I'm not saying any of this to brag, by the way. This is just to show you how far I've come. I'm also practicing what I'm now preaching, and I feel insanely happy. I'm living proof that this works. And I'm not going to talk about anything that I believe is specific to me. I'm only going to discuss general but powerful principles that I believe will help the vast majority of people. I've also experienced but bounced back from multiple failures. And I'm saying that purely because I don't want you to think that I'm one of these people that thinks life is all about sunshine and rainbows and unicorns. You know, I understand that life can be cruel. I understand the harsh, practical realities of life. And as such, I've had a divorce, I've had 3 failed businesses, a failed property investment, and an investment experience, if you can call it that, that left my life in tatters. And indeed, that's why I was £70,000 in debt and sleeping in my car. But it's using the general but very powerful principles that I want to talk to you about in this course that's helped me to recover from that, find my happiness, and maximize my happiness. So what are you going to learn in this course? Well, the first thing I'd say is that this course is not about magic bullets, hacks or secrets or any other garbage like that. What this course is about is tried and tested principles that, if worked on and implemented, I genuinely believe will help you at the very least increase, but hopefully maximize your happiness. It may be that you find every principle useful and helpful, but you may just find 1 or 2 useful and helpful. But either way, if you're not already incredibly happy and you are prepared to really work at your life, you will get massive value from this course. So here are the keys, also known as powerful principles, to maximizing happiness and to finding your happiness. At this stage, I'm just going to list them out because we're going to go into depth on each of these throughout the course. So number 1, know yourself and your values. Number 2, understand the whole person concept. Number 3, strive for a world-class life. Number 4, aim for harmony, not balance. Number 5, avoid comparisons. Number 6, have big, inspiring, meaningful goals. Number 7, have gratitude and perspective. Number 8, gain freedom and autonomy. Number 9, understand the real truths about life. And number 10, have a healthy diet for your body and your mind. So what will you be able to do at the end of this course? Well, first of all, you'll be able to understand happiness and what drives it in human beings. You'll also be able to start building a truly world-class life, which is part of becoming happy. You'll know what you need to do to become truly happy. And you'll also be able to massively increase productivity, because study after study has shown that the happier you are, the more productive you are. And so the principles that you learn in this course will spill over into so many different parts of your life, and it really will lead to a world-class life of maximum happiness.